Hello there guys, welcome back to another short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's Jack from Blue Sky Graphics. What I'd like to do today guys is show you how to create a glow effect within a photo within Adobe Photoshop. I have an example in front of you here, and as you can see the outline of the hat is glowing, and what I would like to do is show you the step-by-step simple steps that you need to take to achieve such styles. Okay, so what I have on another tab is the original image open already for me. Now, first of all, what I need to double make sure is the brush is correct and set to the right brush that I would like. So I'm going to go for a soft round brush here and make sure the hardness is at 100%. And I've already put it to 25 pixels. Okay. So what I'll need to do now is create my outline. So I'm just going to zoom in using the shortcut Command+ on Mac or Control+ on Windows. And I'm going to use my pen tool. So what I'm going to do now is come through and create a very simple outline of the rim of her hat here. Just manipulating these anchor points just so I can get a real smooth line. And then what I'm going to do is add a brand new layer. With the line still selected, I'm going to right click on it and go to stroke path. And we're going to add the brush that we had applied earlier. Okay. Let's press enter to confirm that. Now what I'm going to do is add a brand new layer, and we're going to come through the pen tool again. And we're going to come through and create a line around the edge of this cool lady's hat. So bear with me whilst I do that. Just manipulating these anchor points just so it takes it around the edge. Like so. What we'll do, we'll go back and we'll take this here. We may have to come around here. There we go, that's better. Okay, nearly there, guys. Just need to make sure we get a real nice line that's covering the edge of this lady's hat here. May come around here, let's say. There we go. Okay, and yet again, what I'm going to do is right click on the line here, and we've got stroke path. And what I'll do is apply our brush. Okay. So now what I would like to do is apply a layer style to this particular layer here. So I'm just going to either go to FX or double click the layer. And the two styles that I would like to be applying would be an outer glow. I'm going to keep with the color red. You can obviously change that depending on what you want to achieve. And also what I'm going to do is apply a drop shadow as well. I'm going to keep the color red. Yet again, you can change the color and the distance and the spread and the size depending on what you want. But I quite like it as it is already. Then we're going to press OK. And then what I'm going to do is swap our layers around. So as you can see, it's sitting on top of the top one here, which I don't like. So I'm just going to swap them around like so. And very simply, what I'm going to do is just copy and duplicate these effects onto our top layer here by using the shortcut Option on a Mac or Alt on Windows to click and drag, release it onto that layer there. And as you can see now, I've applied that glow effect to that particular line and layer. Also, and maybe what you want to do potentially is add a little slight adjustment layer just to bring up the glows a little bit more on this layer. So I'm going to have the original image layer highlighted. We're going to come to our adjustment layers, and we're going to go color lookup. And the one that I would like to be using, let's go for moonlight there. And what we may need to do now is come to our layers again and just take down the opacity of that just a tad, like so. And there you have it, guys. That's how you create a glow effect within Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, don't hesitate to visit our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also, as well, take a look at our Instagram at Blue Sky Graphics UK for some real interesting and very impressive work by our talented students. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.